So this is a standard room at Downtown Grand in downtown Las Vegas. And this is a penthouse at Downtown Grand. This is my ping pong table. This is the bar. The living room.
Islanders identity line.
This is the bathroom. This is the dining room table. This is the balcony. Bedroom number 2, the backup. Bathroom number 2. No pun intended. Talking to me?
Lunch.
Go. Boom. Do not disturb. Always. So we're at Hash House A Go-Go at the Plaza. I have to show you guys this. This is a noteworthy pancake. This is called the Tractor Driver Combo, and it includes this 14-inch pancake. Look at this thing.
That's insane.
Right now, before heading to the pool, it is time for me and Greta to play a magical game on the ping pong table behind us. Oh, I hit your phone. No. I got a point.
On serving 4.
Oh.
That was close. Aw.
There we go.
Match point, baby.
So unfortunately, the last few days, the weather in Las Vegas has been no bueno. It's been cold and windy, and unfortunately right now we're not gonna go hang out at the pool. But we do have an incredible overview of the pool right from our hotel room right now, right there. And I'm gonna tell you all about the pool right now. This summer, guests can splish and splash at the This summer, guests can splish and splash at the Downtown Grand's Citrus Grand Pool Deck atop Downtown Grand Hotel and Casino. Pool dwellers can rejoice in this pool party paradise, showcasing more than 35,000 square feet of entertainment and special event space, a sparkling infinity pool, restaurant and full bar, semi-private cabanas, a fire pit, a grassy seating area complete with umbrellas and outdoor daybeds, and much more. The pool deck is a pretty decent size. It's on the 3rd level. It has their own section of cabanas, and then there's the main seating area. And additionally, there's a DJ playing, and yeah, it's got everything you need. It's really, really cool, really fun pool deck. So this is the presidential suite. It's one of 2 penthouses at the Downtown Grand, and it's actually a couple doors down from the other one. Both penthouses are essentially the same thing. This one has just a different layout. It's on the corner, so we preferred the view, so that's why we chose this one. And it also comes with the ping pong table. The other one does not have the ping pong. So for us, it was a no-brainer. All right, now for some Downtown Grand history. The original name of the Downtown Grand, the original property, was known as the Lady Luck. It opened up in 1964 and ran for years until 2006. It was purchased by someone else, and they decided they wanted to remodel and renovate and change things up. But unfortunately, a lot of hiccups occurred along the way. So from 2006 until 2013, the place was not opened. It was kind of just like an eyesore and a problem in downtown Las Vegas for a long time. Until 2013, in October, it finally reopened and rebranded as the Downtown Grand. So this property actually was recently renovated in 2020 in October. So it's very fresh throughout, and there's over 1,000 different hotel rooms in this hotel. Anyway, didn't miss too much last night. Greta and I had some dinner across the street at Downtown Grand's steakhouse called Triple George. Really amazing service, really good food. Very happy. I've been spoiled lately. It's kind of crazy. Anyway, I'm gonna go grab some coffee right now. Let's go. We're going to the art bar downstairs near the hotel lobby. Whoops.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay, so 2 quick tips if you're coming to Downtown Grand. Number 1, when you go in the elevators, you have to hold your key card to the sensor for like 3 or 4 seconds before it turns green and you can select your floor. Most places you just, tap your key card on the sensor and then you can immediately select your floor. But here you have to hold it, and I've seen a lot of people in the elevators get confused. So just a quick tip, just remember that if you're here. While I'm on the subject of quick tips while you're at the Grand, another one is that once you enter the Grand and go directly right, there's an area called VIP services, and stupidly I thought it was, or not stupidly, but I thought it was VIP check-in, but it's not. It's a promotional thing, VIP promotions. I'm not exactly sure what it entails, but don't go if you think that's VIP check-in. Don't go there. Oh, that was a good volley. Downtown Grand. Downtown Grand. Downtown Grand. I often try to end my videos with a summary of my experience, and with Downtown Grand, nothing but love from Pompsy. Now, Downtown Grand is small. I mean, there's over 1,100 hotel rooms, but the casino floor is pretty small. They only have 1 real restaurant and a cafe, but they do have a comedy club in-house, and they do have a fitness center, and they do have an amazing pool area where I just always see people dancing and having fun down there. Just constantly people dancing. They often have a DJ playing there too, but if not, they're just bumping music and people are having a grand all the time. You see what I did there? Pun? Grand? Huh? But I think this place is an amazing place to get, to book right now because of the renovations. The rooms are just beautifully remodeled and they're very affordable in comparison to a place like Circa, for example, which is going to be a lot more expensive. Now, one of the reasons I really like Downtown Grand is because it's 1 street over from Fremont Street Experience. In my experience, staying at the properties that are connected to the Experience is kind of annoying sometimes because of how loud it can be. In this place, you don't hear the Experience, but in 40 seconds, you can walk out of here and just be on the Experience. So that's a plus. But yeah, overall, what can I say? I just had a great time here. Another really great property and experience for me. thumbs up. And even if you don't get the ping pong penthouse room like I'm in right now, you're gonna enjoy your stay. Also, I just want to shout out Caesar, who works here, and the whole team that has shown me a lot of great hospitality and love. Really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for inviting me Downtown Grand, but also thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel. Please throw a like on the video if you liked it, and also subscribe if you like my content. I'd really appreciate it. And I'm trying to hit my goal of 100,000 subscribers, and I'm almost there. So if you can jump on the bandwagon, help me out, I'd really appreciate that. But anyway, that's it for me. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys. Bye.